How can I troubleshoot or fix my FaceTime camera if it's not working?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many Apple users face at times, a malfunctioning FaceTime camera. Don't worry, this is typically a straightforward problem to resolve. This video will guide you through the necessary steps to troubleshoot and fix your FaceTime camera. Remember, don't rush, take each step slowly and methodically for the best results.
Are you running the latest version of macOS and FaceTime?
The first thing to check is whether your macOS and FaceTime application are up to date. Apple regularly releases updates that can fix bugs and issues. 1. Check your macOS version. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and select About this Mac. A window will open showing your current macOS version. If it's not the latest version, you can update it by clicking on Software Update. 2. Check your FaceTime version. Open the App Store and click on Updates. If there is an update available for FaceTime, it will be listed there.
Have you given FaceTime permission to access your camera?
This is a common reason why your FaceTime camera might not be working. You need to make sure that FaceTime has permission to access your camera. 1. Open your system preferences. 2. Click on Security and Privacy. 3. Click the Privacy tab. 4. In the left-hand column, select Camera. 5. Make sure the box next to FaceTime is checked.
Is your camera working with other apps?
It's worth checking whether your camera is working with other applications to determine if it's a FaceTime-specific issue or a problem with your camera in general. 1. Try using your camera with another app, such as Photo Booth or another video calling app like Skype or Zoom. 2. If your camera isn't working with any apps, you might need to reset your System Management Controller, SMC.
How to reset your SMC?
Resetting your System Management Controller can resolve hardware-related issues including those related to the camera. For MacBooks with a non-removable battery, shut down your MacBook. Press Shift-Control option on the left side of the built-in keyboard, then press the power button at the same time. Hold these keys and the power button for 10 seconds. Release all keys and the power button, then press the power button again to turn on your MacBook. For MacBooks with a removable battery, shut down your MacBook and remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Reinstall the battery and press the power button to turn on your MacBook. These are some of the basic steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix your FaceTime camera if it's not working. If you've tried all these methods and your FaceTime camera still isn't working, it might be a hardware issue. In this case, contact Apple support or take your device to an authorized Apple service provider. Always remember, it's better to get professional help if you're not comfortable with any step in the troubleshooting process. I hope this guide helps you get your FaceTime camera back up and running. Remember, technology issues happen to everyone, and most problems can be solved with a little bit of patience and persistence.